the recent bout of volatility in Fortis. That's extraordinary. You know, I've never seen so much of back and forth between some HNI investors. I've been told that India's ultra HNI, India's big bull who had exposure in Fortis, that has been bought down. Another ultra HNI, Radhakishan Damani, he's bought into Fortis 2 days ago. So there is a lot of yes, no, I don't know stuff which is going on with Fortis. Pankaj, that is the curiosity point that a year from now, 18 months from now, if you buy into Fortis, should one expect a return of 15-20%? Because this is an operating asset. They've got hospitals, they've got brand, valuations are not all that bad, and we know that eventually the Singh brothers will exit this company.
Nikunj, we don't have a coverage on Fortis, but we like Narayana Hrudayalaya. I think the company operates in a sweet space at this point in time. Last 1 or 2 years, the negative news flows have, or there has been impact in terms of margins because the government has been looking to cap certain procedures. Now, going forward, I think it's a very necessary, it is a kind of a necessity, and we would expect that the companies which are operating on an asset light model, I think should benefit. I think whatever the government has announced in the budget is a big structural positive for the entire space. And within the entire space, like I said, we like Narayana Hrudayalaya because they've got the best ROCs. And I think their mix in terms of patients is quite apt given the government positioning. So from that perspective, I think that is one stock we would continue to prefer. Overall, I think this space looks interesting given the fact that there's been some bit of a correction already factored in, and I think going forward we would expect a decent performance from the entire space given the fact that the pharma companies, especially the US ones, are likely to sort of continue to face pricing pressure. So this is a sort of an interesting space to get into, and slightly more comfortable than the entire US based companies.
Well, on the screen you were seeing that how Fortis has panned out over a period of time, and that stock was very volatile and did really well in trading yesterday's trading session. After 4-5% down, it went up substantially. What also did well yesterday was IT index, and we saw TCS doing well, Infosys doing well, though mid-cap IT were under pressure.